What's up guys, we're gonna talk about how to make money online. Let's go. First, you can start a YouTube channel. You can grow your YouTube channel and you make money from YouTube. Second is selling your online courses. You can sell online services at Facebook or Instagram. You make money from there. And third thing is affiliate marketing, Amazon affiliate marketing. You can make money, share product, share Amazon product with your friends, and your friends buy products. Then you make some portion of money from Amazon. What is Amazon FBA? You can make money from drop shipping. You can buy product from Alibaba at lower price and sell on Amazon at higher price. That's it guys, today's video. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you next video.